This is a presentation about why, when, and how to do EMR, and mostly about the why and the when, not so much about the how, because the how will be most of the rest of the day. Multiple of you said in your introduction to this course that why and when is important to you and for your decision-making abilities. So one thing is, it's an interesting slide, a lot of people's EMR versus ESD, right? And I've put here EMR versus EMR, because in my view, there is EMR and then there is high quality EMR, right? So if you take the cauliflower analogy, which is very often shown in conferences to describe why you should not do piecemeal EMR, and they show a picture like this where the cauliflower is cut in tiny pieces and they show all these little specks of the polyp, like little fragments in a jar. How can you